Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show how you can create an account in the investing.com app. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the investing.com app on your device. Investing.com is a financial platform and a news website which offers market quotes, information about stocks, futures and so on. As you can see on the screen, you have three options, either to continue with Google, continue with Facebook or sign up with your email account. Here I'm going to sign up with my email account. Firstly, enter your email address, then your first name and your last name, then enter a password. Tap on the sign up via email button. After that, you'll receive a code via your email address that you had entered. Enter the code and then tap on verify code. Finally, you've now created an account in the investing.com app. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment down below.